Very good evening to all of you. I am Mahima Jain. Welcome to all the participants who attend this webinar uh, organized by Prayas Ek Pehal, a volunteer organization for social services, Bhopal. Today's our session will be on the topic that is Google Forms for Assessment. That will be presented by Dr. Sanjay Kumar Pandavale, Associate Professor in Education, RIE NCERT Bhopal. Before starting the session, I would like to request all the participants, please mute yourself. And if you want to ask any question, then you can unmute yourself. So I would like to welcome Sanjay sir. Now continue.
So I'm just starting my today's session. Let me share the screen. स्क्रीन शेयर करने के पहले मैं आप लोगों को एक चीज बताना चाहूंगा। ये जो सेशन है, इस सेशन के क्या क्या फायदे हैं और इस सेशन की मदद से हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं। तो हमारा जो टॉपिक है आज का कि गूगल फॉर्म कैसे बनाए और खास करके असेसमेंट के लिए, इवैल्यूएशन के लिए गूगल फॉर्म कैसे बनाए जा सकते हैं। या I suppose almost everybody of you, or few, at least few people out of you, must be aware that why these Google Forms are used. What is the purpose of using Google Forms? So basically, Google Forms we are using for the purpose of assessment or evaluation, or to collect some sort of surveys, to get feedback, to conduct tests, to so these are the main purposes of this Google form, creating Google form, preparing Google form. So how to reach to Google form? First of all, open any browser. There are two ways, or rather we can say three ways. The best way, I will go with best way. Okay, because time is very less now with me, so I will go with best way. Just go to any browser on and in Google search engine search for Google Forms. Search for Google Forms. Click on this very first link, Google Forms free online service for personal use. Then go to Google Forms. Okay, now this slide, this window will show me two kinds of Google Forms. One which are new, that means this is new one. I can start with this blank, no formatting will be there. Some kind of predefined templates are already provided by Google Forms to me, therefore assessment, contact information, etc., etc. I can make use of these kind of templates also and start building or creating my own new Google Form. So I normally prefer to go with blank one. I normally used to choose blank format. So for today's session, I have already created one form. I will open that form, and with the help of that form only I am going to demonstrate how to work or how to prepare Google form. So this is demo form. I have created this especially for today's class, for today's session. Okay. So if you open any new form, just a minute, let me show you that view also. Okay, this is blank form. You can find here nothing is written. That means I have not entered a single word till now. So you can first of all give the name to your form. What exactly you want to ask through this form? So untitled form. So in this area I have written this demo form. Okay, demo form. The same name, the moment you create, suppose I am writing here RIE, I want to build a form on RI Bhopal. Okay, the moment I click on this untitled form, you need to give a name to your untitled form. Otherwise, a number of untitled forms will be there. So I want to give the name that is RI Bhopal. So just click on this untitled form. This name will be automatically given to that particular form. From here you can change it also. Suppose you don't want to keep this Bhopal with this RI, then just delete everything and now the name will be RI. That means it's not necessary that the form name and title of your form should be the same. It's not necessary. If you wish, you can keep this title of your form as well as name of your form as same. Otherwise, you can change it also. So I have similarly I have given this demo form. The name, the title of my form as well as the name of my form is demo form. Both were it's same. Okay. So first of all, I have to give. Let me share with you people that I have created this form related to one particular candidate. I want to collect some information from candidate. I have bifurcated this form in two forms. That means two parts. I can say two sections. Two sections. Okay. The first section is candidates information, and second section is general awareness. I wanted to check. I need to collect a candidate's information from him or her, as well as I need to collect some information. I want to check his or her general awareness. So here in this Google form, first of all, we will go through these buttons. What is this? This one is add question. First button is to add question. Okay, the moment I press it, this will appear in front of me. From this, I can ask any question. For example, your name. Your name. Okay. Now, before starting this question, I want to give another title to this particular section. So for this, add title and description. Okay, I have used this plus button to add questions. I don't know right now. I don't know what is this. I will come to this later. Add title and description. So I will click it here. This description I have given by this one, candidates information and general awareness, using this button is add title and description. Okay, now I want to add section. I want to add section like this, candidates information. Even demo form is also one of my section. So if I want to add a section to my form, then need to go to this button, last one, add section. Okay, the moment I click it here, it will be divided. This form is divided into two parts now. This first part is section 1 of 2, that is RI Bhopal till now, till this place, and second section 2 of 2, that is untitled section. I can rename it. So the second section is starting from this one. Okay, now let me go to my original form. So using this add title and description, I have added this one, candidates information and general awareness. Using add section, I have created this section 1 of 3, that means demo form, section 2 of 3, that means second section of my particular form, which is related with candidates information. And I have one more section in my form. Let me go little down. One more section in my form, and that is related to general awareness of a particular candidate. So I have divided my form into three sections. So now I need to add questions. So to add question, I have to use this plus button. I have already demonstrated here. Okay, with the help of plus button, you can add question. So suppose your name, I want to ask a candidate, what is your name? So I'm writing simply here your name. Okay. Now this question is your name. I will delete. Suppose we have to delete anything, just click on that particular question. This delete button will appear and you can delete it. So this is my question, your name. The moment I click on new question, and I fill some information in that question, the next moment you can find that depend on the nature what I am asking in my question, this question box, these are the various types which are available for us to create one Google form. This section will automatically, many times it automatically detects what I am going to ask. So your name means it can't be multiple choice of question, multiple type of question or any other kind. It will be obvious short answer type. See, it has automatically detected this. So what kind of questions I can prepare with the help of Google Form? So first one is short answer. We know what is short answer. Second one is paragraph. We know what is paragraph. Then multiple choice. That means out of 3 or 4 or 5, we have to choose only one. Only one will be the correct option out of 3 or 4 or 5, whatever options we have given. Then check boxes. Sometimes we may require to choose more than one option. Okay, so I will show which kind of questions will come under which type of this type. Okay, so check boxes. So answer may be more than one. Drop down. If my options are more in number, then I will use this drop down, and similarly others. So let me go to my original form. So first, second section of my form is candidate description. Okay. So first question is your name. You can find it here. Short answer means first I have to type. If you want to give the numbers to your question, you can give that. Otherwise, you can straightway start. So I have given number 1 for your name. Your name, and obvious the name will be Dr. Sanjay Kumar Pandagle. So it is a short answer type question. So I have chosen from this area short answer. Okay. Now uh, if I want to ask another question, that question is very similar with this first one. If suppose you want to a second question which is same as first question, your name, and your second question may be the name of your institution. So the type of question is short answer type. So you can simply copy that question. You can, the moment you press on the copy, I will show it here. The moment you the second question will be automatically created as the previous one. As here your name, second one is also your name. Now you can change the text of this question. Name of name of your institution or institute. Okay, the question is very same, right? Now again come back to original form. So this is the use of this. If I don't want this, then you simply create on delete and the question will be deleted. Now look at cautiously on this field where it is written that required. Suppose I on this button, suppose I click on this button and it is on now, the candidate must have to appear this question, otherwise he or she can't submit the form. At the end, he or she can't submit the form. Whatever question you want, that these questions are necessary, these are required for information purpose, then just click on this required button. Once you click required, uh, the moment you keep on this required field, then the candidate cannot submit his or her form if he or she has not filled this or attempted this question. Okay, so I already used one type of question, that is short answer. Okay, now I want candidates photograph. I want candidates photographs. So just click here. I have written your photo. Now one option is available, that is file upload. File upload. Okay, the moment you click on this one, these fields will automatically activated. allow only specific file types. Suppose suppose you are running short of space, then you can go for this one, okay, document or spreadsheet or PDF or video or what, okay. So I want just image, so I will click on image only. The candidate will be able to send image file only, not audio or PDF or any other kind of thing. Maximum number of files we can give permission from here, number one file or five files in number, or 10 in numbers, and like that. Maximum file size should be 1 MB, so I will take 1 MB, okay. And now everything is completed in this. So if you have to collect the photo, then you need to choose upload file upload option from this given question types, right? Now this question is also required, so just make this. Now third one, I want to collect date of birth as well as time of a candidate. I want to collect the candidate's date of birth as well as time. So go to this question section. We have already taken short answer. Then we have taken file upload. So two are exhausted now. Paragraph, obvious paragraph is not needed here because I want to collect date of birth and time. So just click on date. Okay, just click on date. If you are very particular to collect date and time separately, then you need to add two questions, one for date and one for time. But I want both the date and time at one place only, so I will simply click on date. Okay. After clicking on date, I have written here date of birth and time. Now how this time will appear? So go to this one, include time and include year. Suppose I uncheck this include time, you can see that time option is not there now. Okay, so I need to click on this include time, so time will also be there. This question is also necessary, so check this one, the question is required. Similarly, about you. Now I want to ask a little bit more information from a candidate. So such type of question must be a paragraph kind of question. So from this one, I have chosen. I have choose this paragraph type of question, paragraph, because I want. So my name is Dr. Sanjay Kumar Pannagle. I am assistant professor at Regional Institute of Education. I am working here since 2002. Now I have completed 18 years. I have published this paper. I have visited these countries and all these things. If I want to collect from the candidate, so you can use this paragraph option, right? Now your qualification. See, the person who has done PhD, obvious he or she will select doctorate. Okay, if a person post graduated, he has done his post graduation, so he or she will choose this one. So I have made this question as multiple choice. That means out of 5, the candidate must choose only one option. Obvious, a person who is having post graduation degree with him or her, that means he has completed graduation as well as HSSC as well as SSSC. He or she is not going to select that मैं 10वीं भी पास हो गया, मैं 12वीं भी पास हो गया, उसके बाद मैं ग्रेजुएशन भी पास हो गया, उसके बाद मैंने पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन किया. So whatever highest degree he or she is possessing, so the person will choose that particular option. That's why I have taken this option, that is multiple choice. He or she need to click on only one. Now let me show the preview of this, how this looks, actually how this form will look. Let me go to next. Your name. See, I have to write here my name, Dr. Sanjay Kumar Pandagale. So I have written my name. Now your photo, add your file. So the moment I click here, it is asking me select files from your device. So I will go to my device. I will find some. I will find for photographs. Okay, so suppose this is my photographs. Actually, I don't have. This is my new laptop, so I don't have any personal photograph here. So suppose I am choosing this. The file size is okay. Upload. Yeah, it is already uploaded. It is uploaded already uploaded. No, I need to give a permission to upload it, and now the file is uploaded. Okay, so my photo is here. Now third one, date of birth and time. Click on this calendar, go to particular year from this one. So 1974, month is August, and date is 18th. So this is my date of birth, that is 18/08/1974. I don't know exact time, but someday my mother told that it was 11:52 or something like that. I don't know. Okay, so 11:52. So I have appeared this one. Now about me. Now just now I told you that I am associate professor. I am not going to write everything here. I am associate professor at RIE Bhopal, and you can write whatever you want to add in this section. Now your qualification. So I have completed my PhD. So I will check on this field. See, if I check SSC, then automatically other field is not going to be selected. So I have to select only one field. So I will select doctorate as my highest qualification. Okay. Now come to next question. State or UT you belong. State or UT. Now we have almost 28, 29 states and another 8 union territories in our countries. That means altogether 35 to 36. So if I have not chosen this drop down menu, then the form will be this much large, this much. It will take lot of space and it won't look nice. And obvious the option is only one. So in such case, we need to make use of drop down kind of question. Okay, so short answer we have already used. Paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes, it is yet to come. Check box is yet to come. Drop down we are using in this sixth question, and file upload we have already used. So I have I have chosen this drop down. Okay, now come to our form. Sixth question is state of UT you belong. The moment I click on this, it will show the whole list, and I will select my state. My state is Maharashtra. So Maharashtra is here now. Okay. Now seventh question. This question is also required. So I am clicking here. Your hobbies. Now my hobbies may be more than one. More than one. And that's why as my hobbies are more than one, that's why I have taken these check boxes. This will allow us to select more than one answer. Okay, so in that situation we need to use check boxes. So come to our question. Your hobbies: playing outdoor games, yes. Playing indoor game, no, I don't like. Watching movies, yes, I like very much. Reading books, earlier I used to books hard copy, now I am reading soft copy. That means I am reading it. Spending time with friends, no friend here to spend time, but yes, I like that. So I can select more than one option if the question type is check box. Okay, now come to next type of question. Rate yourself in following activities. So for this question, I have selected. Okay, now short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes, drop down, file, upload. So this much 7 types of resources or questions I have already used. Now I am here, multiple choice grid. Okay, I was talking about multiple choice grid. Okay, so in such kind of how to create such questions, I will let you know. So rate yourself in following activities. In singing, I may be either poor or fair or average or good or excellent. I may not be at the same time at all 5 things. Okay, if I am excellent means excellent. If I am good means good. Average means average. Fair means fair. Poor means poor. That means only one option can be selected for this singing. So I find myself in singing as good, not excellent. Dancing, fair. Painting, good. Studies, excellent. Okay, so I I can choose only one option. If I choose good, then excellent will be disappear. So for such type of questions, we can use this multiple choice grid. Now how to build such kind of question? Let me demonstrate it here only. Multiple choice grid. Row 1, row 2. Similarly, you can add more rows. Column 1, column 2. So these are the rows: singing, dancing, painting, studies. These are rows. And columns: poor, fair, average, good, excellent. Okay. So I will write here singing, dancing, drama, painting. Okay, don't bother for spelling. Okay. So column 1, what could be it? Actually, I want to make it 5 points. Na? So 5 points. So first one is poor, fair, average, good, excellent. Okay. So poor, just keep on adding. Fair, average, good, and lastly excellent. So this is 5 point Likert scale. 5 point. 5 points are here: poor, fair, average, good, and excellent. If you want 7 points, you can do that. Just enter one more. If you want 7, just again enter for one more time. Now 7 columns are there. If you want to add this rows, you can keep on adding rows as much you wish. Okay, so for this rate yourself in following activities, I have created, sir. So I have created this one. Okay, I have chosen here multiple choice grid kind of question. Now I am going to next question: your relation with your family members. Now you yourself can observe that I have written here. This is my view. This is my final form. So I have written you love more too. Other, mother, sister, brother, daughter, son, wife, husband. You are close to. Seek advice from. Give advice to. Used to scold. Share feelings with. Best friend. So the moment someone asks me, you love more too. Shall I choose father or mother or sister or brother or daughter or son or wife? To whom I should select? So obvious, my options will be more than one. In such situation, I must have that option with me, and that's why for this kind of question, anyways, I will show it from here. So I have taken this option for that. Which one? Tick box grid. Tick box grid. For this question, I have used for this question I have used tick box grid. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 check boxes, drop down, file upload, multiple choice, demonstrator, date and time is also over. Now tick box kind of question. I want to frame tick box grid. So I have opted this option for such type of questions. And in such questions, obvious rows. So rows, these are rows. These are rows. Okay. You love more to, you are close to, seek advice from, give advice, etc. These are rows. And these are columns. And now I can choose more than one option. So I will prefer to select all the field except husband, right? I'm not going to choose husband. So you are close to, I'm close to, I'm close to everyone. So I wish to select all this button. Similarly, seek advice from, yeah, almost from everyone. So I will select all 7. Give advice to, yeah, almost to everyone. So all 7. Used to scold, very less. I'm not fond of scolding people, but sometimes I used to scold everyone. So I may choose that also. Share feelings with, yeah, with all. And but especially I used to share my feelings with my brother and sometimes with wife. So I may go for this option as well as wife. Okay, best friend, yeah, my best friend is my brother, so I will select this one. So I should have option to select more than one thing. So in such situation you can make use of this grid type of question, tick box grid. At the same time, if you wish to collect information for number of things, so you can go for such type of question. Okay, now section 3 of 3, it is related to general awareness. Now I can click on next. Now let's see what happens. Yes, demo form, this second form, yes, the second section is in front of me now. Now I want general awareness. Okay, I need to check general awareness of the candidate. So I have asked here one picture question. I inserted one picture and then I asked identify the famous social reformer. So I suppose everybody is familiar with this famous social reformer. What is the real true answer? What is the right answer
Savitribai
for
Phule.
this? Okay, so Savitribai Phule. Obvious, there will be only one answer. Okay, if I select Savitribai Phule, if I want to select Aruna Roy, so obviously Savitribai Phule will be not selected. So Savitribai Phule is the. Now how this question, how I inserted uh, this image in this particular question. Okay, so for this I will go to this blank Google form. Here select, no, not from here, this one picture. Okay, name of your institution. So I want to insert image here. So click on this image button. Now a lot of options available to you. You can upload. So you just browse the image from your system and upload it. From camera, from web camera also allow. So it will take image from this browse camera, this web camera. No camera selected. Okay, if camera is selected, fine. By URL, you can make use of URL also. So how to make use of this URL? I will go to Google. I will search for Savitri Bai Phule. I will go to images and suppose I want to insert this image. Just right click on this image and copy image address. Copy image address. Come back to your form. Go to URL, by URL, just paste it here. If everything is fine, the photo is inserted, right? And then finally do insert image. Now image will be inserted here. and you can change the question name of the question, title of the question, and just like this. So I have given 4 options here. Option 1 is Mother Teresa, then Savitribai Phule, Aruna Roy, and Meda Patkar. Okay. So I suppose this question is also clear. How to insert a image in particular question? You need to take use of this one. Okay. Now next question. Listen the song carefully and express yourself. So I have. Let's see this question. I think sound आपको audible नहीं होगा.
नहीं आ रहा है सर साउंड.
इस गाने की आवाज आ रही है?
नहीं सर, नहीं आ रही है.
हाँ, ओके ठीक है. वो आवाज आ भी हाँ, ये आई थिंक आई हैव टू. वेयर इज दैट ऑप्शन पूजा? इन वीडियो?
सर
इन शेयर.
यस.
ओके, शेयर कंटेंट.
ऑप्टिमाइज फॉर
हाँ.
मोशन एंड वीडियो ऊपर आपको दिख रहा होगा. ऑप्टिमाइज फॉर टेक्स्ट एंड इमेजेस है, उसकी जगह ऑप्टिमाइज फॉर मोशन एंड वीडियो.
शेयर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नीड टू चूज फॉर शेयर कंटेंट.
सर शेयर कंटेंट ऑलरेडी है वहाँ ऊपर ही. ऊपर
हाँ.
आपको ऑप्टिमाइज फॉर टेक्स्ट एंड इमेजेस ऑप्शन दे रहा होगा. ड्रॉप डाउन है, उसमें सेकेंड ऑप्शन ऑप्टिमाइज फॉर मोशन एंड वीडियो.
Okay, it's not available for me. I don't know why.
I think, sir, it is on the center of your screen. It's not in the
Mute.
options in the left side.
Participant chat, annotate more. Okay, it is there. I suppose I need to go to that box. Anyways. So what I did, मैं Google पे गया. Sorry, I went to YouTube, and from YouTube I have searched for this video, and the way I inserted image in the similar fashion I have inserted this, but there is a clear cut option is available for this one. Suppose I want to add video. Look at this. Add video. Now search on YouTube. I will search for Indira. Just let me check it. Click here. I will search for Indira Gandhi. Now this much. Suppose I want to insert this. Just click here and select. You can see the video is inserted. Okay. So for this video, I have given the caption that listen the song carefully and express yourself. And I have added one more question wherein I have not given any title. Let me go to that particular question on my form. Listen the song carefully and express yourself. This is different field and this is different field. This field is different. Okay, you can see this field is different. I have created this field with the help of add video, and I want the feedback or the opinion or reflection of my candidate. For that, I have created one new question, and that question is paragraph kind of thing. And I already asked here, listen the song carefully and express yourself. Okay. Now this is another type. Choose the correct option. Okay. Choose the correct option from with the help of by using this photograph. So for this also I have used this. I have first of all uploaded the image. What I did, I downloaded the image. I have given this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number or 6 numbers to this particular photographs, and then I have uploaded this image. Then I made it multiple choice. So total 6 social reformers are there. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Baba Amte. Can you people guess the correct order out of this? These are 4 options. Yeah, what is the right option? Anyone can answer.
So
No answer?
second one,
Sec second
Dr.
one, okay.
B.R. Ambedkar, Vinoba Bhave, Baba Amte, Swami Vivekanand, Rajaram Mohan Roy, and Jyotirao Phule. This is what I
Okay.
feel.
I think the
Right.
fourth option.
Uh,
I think the fourth option, Dr. B.R.
Fourth option.
Ambedkar. Yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
I think the first option.
फर्स्ट ऑप्शन किसने जवाब दिया ये? अन्वेषा. Okay. So actually the
Sir.
correct option is this first one only. See, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Baba Amte, Vinoba Bhave, Swami Vivekanand, Rajaram Mohan Rai, and Mahatma Jyotirao Phule. Okay. So this first one is the correct answer. So you can
Sir, I have a question. Sir,
yes.
whether we can make this collage on Google Forms, or you have used another application and then uploaded just one image here.
No, I have used another application. We
Okay.
can't make this collage here.
Okay.
We have only one option, that to insert image. Whatever image is there, that image will be uploaded here. After uploading, you can't do anything. Okay. Now, my next question is, which is not Indira Gandhi? हाँ, चलो जवाब दीजिए इसका. What is the option? Option 1 or 2 or 3 or 4? इन चार में से इंदिरा गांधी का
Four.
इमेज कौन सा नहीं है?
The
फोर.
fourth one.
Four.
और और कोई जवाब?
Option
I
4.
think option 4. Okay. I think this is very easy question, right?
Yes, sir.
So for this question, what I did, just let me go to that particular question. Okay. Which is not Indira Gandhi. Okay. So everywhere in front of option, inserting image option is available. Now see here, add option. The moment I click on add option, this insert image or add image button is available. So with the help of this, I have inserted 4 different images, and I asked which is not the photograph or which is not Indira Gandhi, following this. Okay. So you can create such type of question also. And lastly, I ask one more question. Where will you rate this demo? Now this is Likert scale. Likert scale. Okay. For example, this linear scale. Multiple choice grid we already used. Tick box also used. Suppose I have to ask only one rating. I want single rating. So in that case, I can use this linear scale type. So this 1 stands for poor and 5 stands for excellent. So that question is here. Where will you rate this demo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and excellent. Now, can I submit it? Actually, मैंने कुछ सवालों के जवाब दिए हैं. I have given answers to few questions, but not all. Can I submit it? Let me check it. No. This is giving me warning. This is a required question. Now, how to identify that a particular question is required? So everything is visible to you people. Now I am shifting from one browser, browser to another one
Yes,
window
sir.
to another. Everything is visible, na?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. See, this fifth question is required. It means I have to give the answer of this question. Then only I can move further. Now let me open it. Okay, I will do it here only. So till now, I have used all types of questions in my form. So any doubt till now? Any questions to anyone?
No, sir.
Okay, right, right. Now, if you want to add question, then use this plus. Yeah, this is very interesting. Import question. Import question. If I have to now let's see how this option works. Okay, so it will show me all my forms which I have already created or used for some other purpose. Suppose I want few questions to export from this webinar feedback form. So I will select it. Now all questions will be appeared at the right side. At the right side. Now which question you want to import from there, you just select those question and click import. The moment you click import, the questions will be imported in your new form. Okay, so this is one. So add, import, add title and description, add image, add video, and add section. So I suppose this much area I have covered. Now let's move towards this section. This is customize. Okay, this button is used called as theme options, from where you can change the color. If I use this red, okay, it's I think very easy, the color you wish to keep to your form. Now background color also you can change. You can choose image also. Few images are already given by Google form. You can make use of that. Else you can upload. You can upload and then insert that. Okay, so I would like to use this one. So I have selected it and now insert. Okay, now this particular, so from this option you can make the theme, you can change the theme of your form. You can insert image from your desktop and make use of that. Pre-installed images are also there, you can make use of that also. Okay, and this button is for preview. I have already used this button. The moment I press it, it will show me the complete form. Okay, now this is send. Before going to send, let me click this. Let's check what kind of options are available here. So undo, everybody knows. Make a copy. If you want to make a copy of this particular form, you might have observed that this is, I suppose, 10th session, right? 10th session in this webinar series. So every day I am sending one feedback form to you people. So मैं हर दिन नया फॉर्म नहीं तैयार कर रहा हूँ. I am not preparing every day a new form. I am just making a copy of it. For example, I will make a copy of it, give a new name to this, copy of demo form. Okay, so let me suppose मैं ऐसे नाम रखना चाहता हूँ. I wish to keep the same name and I will press OK, and after pressing OK, whatever changes I want to make, I can make those changes and my form will be ready. My form will be ready. Suppose I want to just change here and there, I can make those changes and my new form is ready. Okay, so make a copy, move to bin. I want to delete, I can delete it. Get pre-filled link. If you answered already, you can answer right answers here and you can use that also. If you want to print this form, just give a print. Add collaborator. Okay, I actually worked on my form, but I'm not sure whether my language in the questions is okay or up to the mark or not. So I can make use of Dr. Ganga Mehto. Mehto, I can add him as collaborator in my form, and I will request him to please go through the language of my form, whether it's up to the mark or not. So you can add a collaborator for this one. After this, there is one option that is add-on. Don't go to script editor, no need. Add-on. Okay. Regarding add-on, I will speak tomorrow. There is one session how to insert this online or e-certificate how to insert this e-certificate for participants. So in that section, I will talk about add-on. So let me stop here only. Now this last option, send. Now I have prepared everything. I'm sure that my form is perfect. Now I can share it. So if I want to share it, one option is through email. It is already selected. Just type the email of that particular person and send it. Okay. Second one is link. So normally I am using this kind of thing to share this feedback form to you people. So this link is very much lengthy. If I want to shorten it, just click on shorten URL. Okay, shorten URL. Now link is very shorten. I can copy it and share or paste wherever I want. If I wish to embed it with my blog or website, then use this embed option. Okay, this form cannot be embedded because it makes use of file upload questions. Okay, यहाँ पर file upload question है, उस कारण ये embed नहीं हो पा रहा है. Otherwise, the form can be easily uploaded to any website or blog. Now, look at this setting. Collect email address. If I wish to collect email address from my candidate, then I need to check it. Then I need to check it. If I see the very first option will be email address. In your feedback form, that option is there. So it is automatically added. It is automatically added. When I required email, normally if I have to respond to my responders or to my students or to my candidate, in that case, I need email addresses of the students. So just to click on this collect email address, limit to one response. Suppose one test is there. So normally in test हम लोग जो है वो एक ही बार टेस्ट अपीयर करने का मौका देते हैं. Okay, we don't give another chance to modify your answers and all. So if that is the situation, just click on limit to one response. If you check it, the candidate cannot do anything for if he or she wants to give another response. So that if you select this option, then that option won't be there. Edit after submit. If you are collecting some information, personal information from the candidate, then you can give this option. So you need to think yourself which kind of option should be activated and which kind of not. Presentation is very simple. Show progress bar, shuffle question orders. Suppose you are conducting a test and you wish to change the question orders, so you can click this one and the questions order will be shuffled. Now if I activate this form will be converted to quiz. Okay, but I suppose this form is not required. यहाँ पर मैं students से I'm collecting their information and I'm just checking general knowledge of the particular student. So I suppose this should not be a quiz. If a rapid test, a very simple kind of test, if I prepared that kind of test, then I can make it as quiz. Okay. And after that, whatever changes you wish to do, just make them and save it. Okay, and finally you need to send by using this button, by email or by making use of this copy link or by embedding this. So I will stop here. अगर आपकी किसी के कुछ सवाल है तो वो सवाल के ऊपर बात करना मैं पसंद करूंगा. मैं थोड़ा फास्ट गया हूँ ड्यू टू टाइम प्रॉब्लम, टाइम इशू. So if some question are there, please.
Sanjay sir, just congratulations for the wonderful presentation. I'll just ask one question and go. Can I ask?
Please.
Ganga?
Some noise is there.
Two questions. First is okay. First question is Google Forms the only player in the market, or is there any alternate? Second, can we upload offline videos to Google Forms? Done.
Okay. No, there are other platforms also. You can make use of. like for surveys, for collecting surveys, lot of options are there. Poll Daddy, Survey Monkey, kind of things. But to create a test, this Google form is actually very popular nowadays. There are others also. Let me give one example. I don't remember the exact name of that particular, wherein you can create a very wonderful, very good. Just let me check it. Yeah, tastemoz.com, TESTMOZ, tastemoz.com. With the help of this link site, you can create wonderful quizzes for your participant, for your students. So there are options are available. And second one, we cannot upload offline video on this Google platform. Uh, can we let me give a check. I suppose no option is there. See
No
video
option.
search, no option is
And
there.
you are
That means yes. So iske liye long back what I did, see we need to think
upload
little bit, yeah, upload on YouTube, obvious, upload
upload
on
on
YouTube.
YouTube and then share the link.
Yes. Yes. Actually, little bit we need to think little innovatively. Though 3 saal, I think in 2017, few of my students might be remembering that I have conducted one within group singing competition in my WhatsApp group. So almost 18 to 20 students sing a song and they sent audio file to me. Now the challenge was where to conduct a survey uh, whose song or whose voice is good. So who is the winner of the who is voice of the group. So for this
Mm,
purpose, what I
mm,
did, I made small videos with the help of these audio
mm.
files and making use of their images. I made up small videos and then I uploaded it on YouTube, and from there I embedded it here and I created one form. That form must be somewhere here only. And after that I sent this form in my group and I appealed to vote a particular student. Okay, so similarly we can conduct a quiz also. Yeah, any more
Thank
question?
you very much, sir. Wonderful session.
Sir,
Yeah,
there is a
welcome.
question from Priyadarshini
Thank
ma'am.
you.
She's asking that can we create this Google form from only laptop or through mobile as well?
Through mobile also, the app is available. The name of the app is Forms app, FORMS, Forms app. Now two options are available in this mobile app, that is Google Forms, and Survey Heart is also attached with this Google Forms. Earlier only Google Form was separate and Survey Heart was separate. Now if you install Forms app, then two options are available for you. Yeah.
Thanks a lot, sir. Sir, it was very informative session. Sir, I also want to thank Ganga Mehta, sir, but he have left the meeting. Actually, he have engaged us in introduction session. Meanwhile, you haven't joined the session. Okay. No, anyway, sir, I have a question. Sir,
Yeah.
you are talking about the rapid test. So, sir, is there any option for a time limit setting, so we can
Yes,
give a
that,
particular
yes,
time
that
period, so that a student have to complete the test in that time.
I got your question. Yes, time limit option is there. I will let you know tomorrow. That is
Okay.
related to add-on. That in add-on
Okay.
that option is there. So I will let you know
Hmm.
it about tomorrow. Okay, एक बात मैं और बताना चाह रहा हूँ, मैं थोड़ा skip कर गया वो. Uh, if you have conducted one test wherein 10 questions are there and your student submitted that test to you, this Google form is this much popular, this much powerful that it evaluate the form by itself for you. I will demonstrate it tomorrow. That is also comes under add-on. So lot of add-ons are there. With the help of these add-ons, you can do many things. Tomorrow I will let you know about it. या कोई और सवाल?
have a question. Hello, sir.
हाँ या
Hello.
हाँ
Sir.
बोलिए बोलिए.
What can we do? What can we do with the icon before the custom icon?
Custom icon.
Sir, before
Let
the
me
No,
see.
custom icon, there is
no,
one
sir.
arrow-like icon. Before the
Yes, sir.
custom icon, there is an arrow-like icon. So what can we do with that arrow-like icon? This is Tanishta
Okay,
Das question.
I think you might be. Let me share the screen once again. Asking about this icon? Asking about this one?
No, sir. First
No?
send, then no, sir. जो आपका जो फॉर्म था ना, उधर आपने जो लास्ट सेंड, देन उसके पहले सेटिंग, देन प्रीव्यू, देन था कस्टम एंड फर्स्ट वन था वो वाला. तो मैंने हाँ वाला पूछ रही थी.
यही तो है, इसमें इतने ऑप्शन है अभी. एक तो
हाँ
दिस इज
हाँ
एड ऑन.
हाँ सर.
एड ऑन एड ऑन. इसके बारे
हाँ
में
सर.
मैं कल बताता हूँ. कल बताता हूँ. कल
ओके
बताऊंगा.
सर.
कल इसी की बारी है. सब इसी के ऊपर है कल.
ओके सर.
फिर भी आपको बताना है तो एड ऑन वाला है. बट और क्या एड ऑन क्या होता है क्या नहीं, इसके बारे में कल बात करते हैं.
Sir, there is
ओके,
one
और
more
कोई सवाल?
question from Priyanka Prajapati. She is asking, please tell again how to divide form into sections. So maybe tomorrow again we will be talking on this, so it can be demonstrated tomorrow.
No, still okay. It can be demonstrated tomorrow also, but just make use
Right.
of this one. Add section. Add section. It is available here. See, this is add question. Second one is import questions. Third one is add title and description, then image, then video, and then finally add sections. With the help of this button, you can add sections. You can add these sections. Yeah. और कोई सवाल?
Sir,
I think, हाँ. Yes.
so the class was really nice and very useful for me. Actually, I was thinking about that. I want to know how to create a Google form. I think I was very lucky to see this session today. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Welcome, and thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Actually, I lost my 40 minutes. That's why it was really very problematic for me. Yeah. Any
Yeah, it's
more
okay, but
questions?
the session was very nice.
Welcome.
Sir, there are no
और
more
कोई सवाल
questions.
किसी का?
No more questions.
No questions now?
So what about the answer key, sir? Answer key, yesterday I tried and I got.
Okay, you want to know about answer key? Okay, just
Yeah,
give
yeah.
me a moment. Just give me a moment. I will open another form for you.
Okay.
Google form. I have a lot of forms with me.
Okay.
Yeah, NET paper. This is one paper. This is one test. Okay. NET paper test 1. See, you can see total points 20 here. It is written that total points 20. And altogether 10 questions are there. 1, 2, 3. You can see 10 questions are there. So if I make this as quiz, I have made it as quiz. The moment I make this as a quiz, then I have to supply I have to give the right answer for every question. Let me click here. So in a certain code, clock is written as something, then how would steps be written in that code? 4 options are there. Okay. So the moment I activate my form as quiz, then such kind of option will be there. It will be activated. Now it will ask for me how much grade you want to answer key. See, कितना marks देना है. So I want to give 2 points and this is the right answer. Just click on this and then click done. Okay, click on answer key. This answer key. Okay. First of all, you need to make it as quiz and then answer key will be appear. Click on answer key. and then assign the points and choose the correct option and just done it. So fine, final. This is the one way.
But
This is the
after we
one way.
click done, so after we click done, the whole screen becomes normal and I don't see the answer key at all. That's okay? Will
Yeah,
it get
that's okay.
stored?
That's okay. Yes, yes, yes. It will be certainly. See, if you click here and if it is written 2 points answer key and this right option is there, see green right option is there. That means the work is done. The work is done. This is the one option. Another option is there. Suppose my form is not in the form of quiz. If I uncheck it from here, so first of all, students will submit their paper, their test to me. All responses. See here, responses are there. I can see
Okay.
responses of each and every student's responses here. So all students 201 responses I have received. Now how to check all these 200 responses? So for this purpose, I have to make use of Flubaru. Flubaroo. Flubaru. Flubaru is an add-on. With the help of add-on, we can very easily assess any number of responses given by the students. It may be 1,000 or 10,000 or lakh. Within no time, the responses will be evaluated. So I will demonstrate it tomorrow how to make use of Flubar.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Welcome, welcome. So और कोई question?
Mahima?
And
Anyone want to ask question can put up the question in comment box or or they can unmute yourself and ask the question directly from here. So, sir, these are questions. Thank you so much, sir. It was very informative session, sir. And sir, in fact, not only this session, I have attended almost all of your sessions, and every session was very useful for me. I think, sir, after this, like till the end of COVID-19, we will become technical teachers.
आपको
Okay.
बनना ही पड़ेगा. You people, हाँ.
And then, sir, please continue.
हाँ, आप लोगों को बोला बनना ही पड़ेगा. Normally, I used to say that if a teacher is not tech savvy, that he or she is backward nowadays. Kindly make it a point. A teacher must be not well equipped, at least equipped with basics, at least acquainted with the basics of ICT. This is the need of the hour. And this COVID very well demonstrated it that we should have technology with us.
Now I request everyone to please clap for sir. I am unmuting everyone. Let us clap for the wonderful presentation.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. I am also glad.
Thank you so much, sir.
I'm muting everyone again. Okay. Thank you, sir, again. And we will see you tomorrow again with another session. Mahima, will you?
Yes, I am continuing.
Yeah.
Okay. So thank
कल
you,
मैं
sir.
टाइम पे आ जाऊंगा. हाँ.
Yes, thank you so much, all the participants also for attending such a useful and informative session. And thank you, Pooja, for utilizing time before joining, sir. Tomorrow
Sir
we have
doesn't
another
know
session.
about it. Sir doesn't know about it. Sir, please, can you stop sharing your screen?
Okay.
Yeah.
I will.
No problem. Mahima, continue.
Yes. So tomorrow we have another session with Sanjay sir. That is on the inserting and generating e-certificate in Google Forms. So we will be on same time at same time. Till now, we can end this session. Pooja,
Yeah.
over to you.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. And tomorrow, let's join at 4:45 again for inserting and generating e-certificate in Google Forms. Tomorrow's session will be by our Dr. Pandagle sir. And okay, thank you everyone for joining today. Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome.